Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Did you know that, on average, a man shaves more than 21,000 times throughout his life? So it is essential to have a good shaving cream and a post-shave balm. To make it easier, shave your beard right after your bath, or maybe even while showering. It opens the pores and softens the hair. However, shaving cream has never been on the top list of personal hygiene products. We usually shave with water and soap because it is easier, more practical, and also cheaper. See in today's video how to make a homemade shaving cream to soothe your skin and get amazing results. This homemade cream we will teach today is so rich and moisturizing that you will never need anything else. Do you want to know why? Learn more about its ingredients. Olive oil. Highly moisturizing, it protects the skin and makes it softer. Tea tree essential oil helps prevent bacteria from infecting pores after using razor blades. It is great against acne, soothes pains and swelling, and can be used pure, applied directly over skin. Lavender oil, great for soothing irritated skin. It acts as a skin cell regenerator and can be used to treat acne, dry, sensitive, and damaged skin. Coconut oil. We have talked about it many times, and it is a great moisturizer for skin and can be used on the body, face, lips, and genitals. It makes your skin super soft and without any ingrown hair. And if that's not enough, we still need to talk about another powerful ingredient for your skin: aloe vera. Its use ranges from cosmetic to treatment of wounds, burns, skin infections, and psoriasis. It gives oxygen, important to keep the cells of deeper layers strong. Do you want to learn this recipe? Write the ingredients down. 1/2 cup of coconut oil, 1/4 cup of honey, optional, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera, 10 drops of lavender essential oil, 10 drops of tea tree essential oil. Instructions. In a small mixing bowl, cream the coconut oil until light and fluffy. You can also use liquid coconut oil. It all depends on where you live. Add the remaining ingredients and beat until smooth. Store it in a container safe to be used in the bathroom. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.